Hashitulup kaperthai ke jela Meghalaya kalayo wan Rakhe ya ka world literacy day arajar katsan halor kapang pedeng. Education and learning is a treasure that will follow its owner everywhere. Yakani ke jing Rakhe ka bakham karpang ka State Education Mission Authority of Meghalaya Semam SSA kala Rakhe ka ni ka sngi ta ka bapelong ya ka jing pendong kerteng ya ki khna ki blasange banlit school ne ka enrollment of out of school children OOSC hapo ka special training center badaga jing thmu pan penjanai biang ya ka jing em jongki bakin lej ban peteng ya ka jing lej school baman ka sngi ka baki dei ban yo khatkum ka hok right to education RTE ya ka ni ka jing Rakhe ka Semam SE kala pelong halangtor high secondary school ka bahab hapo mairang block hakabau sembut menteri rang ba ka jela bopej ya ka tanat puli puti Profesor Asi lalu lalong kongsan badu parliamentary secretary education WD sangma kumusum buat kongsan haringkat ka jinge don lang kinoi kai ki khana school bat kiwe kiwe
Today, I request all of you, my dear students, you know how to read, you know how to write. That's why you are in the school. Teach others also who does not know how to read and write. You could see the figure which has been mentioned here. Out of school stands at 21,600. And we have 388 special training center. There are so many people who can't go to training center. It is you who can educate them. Sometimes we don't realize what is the disadvantage of an illiterate person. Sometimes we are not aware because we have been living on books. We have been living in classroom. Since the day that we know how to walk, since the day that we know how to go to classes, we should realize that there are some people around us. That's why your district is 77.87%. Around 23% does not know how to read and write. And I know very well what does it mean illiterate, because I don't know how to read and write. My dear student and teacher, I want to convey this to you. Let us understand and apply. Let us understand, let us remember the position of a person who does not know how to read and write.